Ako naman po si High Five Justin!
High Five
Justin! Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita!
Don't leave him hanging! Oh, he got left hanging! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Herrera here. I hope that you are all doing well. Do you remember I did an Alabathon last week? Well, I forgot to include these videos. It's so funny because obviously I was searching and watching this Alab content and then the algorithm brought these to me. I'm really looking forward to watching this with you. Please have a look at the description below to see what I'm including in this. And this is them talking to us prior to the release of the music video.
Actually, sa totoo lang, nung ilalabas na namin itong song na Alab, sobrang excited ako. Kasi parang dito sa song kasi na to, sobrang iba siya sa Go Up. Tapos dito pinapakita talaga namin yung iba't ibang parang personalidad namin. Kaya sobrang exciting siya para sa akin. And in-expect ko din na sana tulad ng Go Up, parang marami pang tao yung maka-appreciate ng song namin na to.
This time,
I'm really sorry, I barely listened to what he was saying, but I just want to stop and focus on this incredible face. Who looks like this? Absolutely no one.
And
my dream man, obviously, but
tulad ng Go Up, parang marami pang
look at those eyes.
Tao,
look at the glow on his face.
Maka-appreciate ng song namin na to.
This time, nung kasama yung 18, parang mas confident, parang mas feel ko na
I like this hair color.
Kahit anong mangyari, pagka-release natin to, hindi natin alam kung anong tamang oras, anong tamang tempo, pero since nandyan yung 18, kakayanin natin na naiangat yung kanta.
Sana i-accept pa rin siya ng mga fans namin, ng mga bagong tao na makakaalam ng group namin, ng bagong song namin na lalabas, which is yung Alab. Sana ganun pa rin yung suporta na ipapakita ng mga fans, gaya ng pagsuporta nila sa Go Up. And sana patuloy nyo pa rin kaming mamahalin sa kahit anumang bagay na gagawin namin kasi lahat nito para sa inyo.
Look at all of those dreams in those sparkly little tiny baby eyes. This isn't even that long ago. I am immensely proud of not only Ken of SB19 but of Philip as well. Like, this boy, like, he grew up in front of our very eyes. That's why I'm so protective over him.
Since
don't touch.
Yung Go Up, hindi pa maraming tao yung nakakakilala sa amin. Ngayon, mas marami ng taong nakakilala sa amin. Sana mas mag-boom pa yung Alab. And talagang pinaghandaan kasi namin yung music video dito. Talagang pinagpuyatan, pinagpawisan, kahit walang tulog, dire-diretso lang. So sana magustuhan ng maraming tao and sana makaabot din sa iba pang tao na hindi nakakaalam sa grupo namin SB19.
Itong Alab, hindi ko siya ina-expect na lalaki na katulad ng Go Up or whatever, pero naniniwala kasi ako sa kakayahan ng 18 and of course naniniwala rin ako sa mga members ko sa efforts na ginawa namin para sa music video na to.
Answering really honestly.
Yung favorite part ko sa Alab, syempre yung hook part. No. Yan.
Part bago mag last chorus, which is yung bibirit sistel ng mataas. Tapos bilang sasabog.
Can we hear it?
Ng Burning of Fire. So, yung part na Calm me down, you're in red.
Properly.
Yung part niya.
Yung may pa-suspense. Yung part na Calm me down, you're in red.
yung now.
Yes.
Kasi yung sayaw po namin talaga nakakapagod. Pero pag nandun sa part na yun, parang na-enjoy lang talaga siya and nawawala yung tense na, alam mo yun, yung step masaya, tapos ang catchy pa nung melody and yung lyrics, konti lang.
Noong una, hindi ko siya favorite, pero kaka-practice ko sa kanya, naging favorite ko siya. Yung intro, hanggang first stanza, ano bang meron sa ngiti mo? Yun, naging favorite ko siya, kaka-practice. Kasi parang first stanza dapat pagbukas pa lang, parang opening song, dapat makatch na kagad yung attention ng tao, dapat boom impact.
And it really does.
Kaka-practice ko sa kanya, naging favorite ko na siya. Yun ay lagi nasa isip ko na part. Yun.
I'm just here listening to him talk and I'm just thinking, oh my god, I'm in love with this man. I'm really, really irritating and I'm sorry.
Ang message ko lang sa 18, sana kahit anong mangyari, dumaan man tayo sa ups and downs, sana patuloy niyong supportahan yung grupo namin.
That's quite fair-skinned. I've really not noticed this before.
Kahit anong mangyari, gagawin namin yung best namin para bigyan kayo ng iba't ibang
I swear he's a bit more tan now.
Performances katulad nito, from Go Up to Alab, ibang-iba yung feeling. Sana magustuhan niyo yung lahat ng ihahanda namin sa inyo.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga pagmamahal na pinapakita nila sa amin kahit feel namin hindi kami deserving, kasi feel ko na hindi kami enough. Lahat ng natatanggap namin sa kanila ay sobrang nakaka-overwhelm, sobrang nakaka-heartwarming, and ayun, sobrang laki lang ng parang pasasalamat kasi tsaka utang na loob namin sa kanila.
Ako personally gusto ko din na habang inaabot namin yung pangarap namin, at the same time gusto ko talaga sila bigyan ng inspiration, abutin yung mga pangarap nila.
Honey,
ayun, magtulungan
that
lang
is
po
exactly
tayong lahat,
what you've done.
kami lahat, kami ng 18s, magtulungan lang po kami.
Sobrang thankful kami na dumating kayo sa buhay namin kasi sa ngayon, sa napapansin namin, parang lahat ng ginagawa namin talagang na-appreciate nyo. Wala kaming masabi kundi salamat. Kasi kung hindi talaga dahil sa inyo, hindi namin mararating lahat ng mga achievements na to. Like, nung una pa lang, lahat ng naiisip namin na positive, lahat ng iniisip namin na magagandang bagay para sa amin, sobrang suntok yun sa buwan. Kasi sino ba naman kami para mangarap ng ganun kataas? Pero dahil sa inyo, parang naging posible lahat ng yun. Naabot namin yun ng napakabilis kasi dahil yun sa inyo.
Para sa 8.
But we believe in you because you believed in yourself first. That's what I've learned from SB19.
Maraming salamat.
You have to do it for yourself first.
Alam niyo yun, hindi dahil po sa kanila, hindi kami dadating dito sa kanta namin na to. Hindi namin marirelease siguro yung Alab since kung nag-fail yung Go Up, mas mahirapan kami mag-produce ng bagong kanta, mas parang bababa yung confident namin. Pero since nandyan po yung 18, talagang mas lalo kaming nabuhayan and lalo naging confident, nagkaroon kami ng lakas para po talaga magpatuloy. Kasi nung Go Up pa lang po, kaya na nung storya namin, nandun na kami sa pinaka lowest point namin na susuko na kami. Pero dahil sa 18, pagka-release namin ng Go Up, nagkaroon kami ng lakas para magpatuloy. Kaya po namin, itong Alab, mas lalo pa namin ginalangan kasi naging confident kami na nandyan yung 18 and dumami talaga sila.
Alab, it's already out on music platforms.
So handsome.
Sana po pakinggan nyo. At alam ko po magiging medyo bago sa pandinig ng karamihan, lalo na sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino. Pero I'm hoping na ma-appreciate po ng madaming tao. And ayun, ginawa po namin to ng
Is it a new sound for Filipinos? Would you say that?
Pinaghirapan po talaga namin to at pinag-isipang mabuti.
Lalabas na namin yung music video namin ng
Does Alab not fit into that? You know, you've been telling me about this kind of thing that historically has happened where if a guy would like a girl, he would sing for her to like kind of let her know that's how he feels. I can't remember what the specific word is for it, but is Alab not like in that category of song?
Talagang pinagpuyatan namin to and siguradong
like serenade.
Masusurpresa kayo dun sa music video kasi nilagay namin yung iba't ibang personalities namin doon. And sa mga hindi pa nakakapakinig ng Alab,
listen right now.
Pakinggan nyo, i-share nyo po sa mga kaibigan nyo.
Out na po yung music namin na Alab, yung third single namin. And saka abangan nyo po yung music video na paparating po ngayong January 9, 7 p.m. kasi sobrang bago to sa paningin ng Pilipino.
Sana po suportahan niyo po ang aming kanta, ang aming grupo, Support OPM po. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung song namin na Alab. And yun po, malapit na po lumabas ng aming music video. This coming January 9 po, lalabas na po yung aming music video. Kaya sana po abangan niyo yan dahil marami po kaming inihanda para sa inyo. Ipapakita namin yung dance at the same time yung aming mga acting skills, mga emote. So sana po magustuhan nyo kasi marami pong pakulo yung music video namin. May kanya-kanya kaming
It's a proper storytelling music video.
So sana po matuwa kayo and ma-enjoy nyo yung music video. Yes, sabay-sabay natin panoorin to sa dadating na January 9.
I mean, even if they were made to sit there at gunpoint, I think they should do this for every single song. I want to hear their take on everything that they give to us. It's so greedy, but come on. The more that I dig into their content, the more that I realize actually there is a lot of it, and many of it is not subbed. But actually, I'm really grateful that they just went all out with content, because it's really the way to get out there and to get known. Sometimes you'll be in a place or an algorithm will bring it to you, and you just don't know whether that might be the moment you convert another person into being an 18. Now, SB19 are the kind of group where I like to call them like instant likes, where you just need to listen to one thing and you're interested. Your ears are interested, your eyes are interested, and that's all it takes, because the minute you start delving deeper into anything, their songs, their voices, their personalities, their background, you're going to be sold. Instant 18s. So wait, I'm just gonna have 6 minutes of Stell's legs.
Hi everyone! I'm SB19's Heavenly Voice. My name is Stell. Ngayong gabi po nandito ako sa inyong harapan para hindi lang i-showcase ang aking Heavenly Voice. Siyempre, pati ang aking dance moves, heavenly. Ayan po. Kaya ngayong gabi po, samahan niyo ako dahil ituturo ko sa inyo ang point dance ng aming new single na Alab.
This is a great idea.
Sa inyo, handa na ba kayo?
Always.
Parang mahina. Handa na ba kayo? Huwag na natin patagalin pa, simulan na natin ang point dance ng Alab. Let's go!
So cute.
So, huwag na natin patagalin pa, simulan na natin. Dahil ituturo ko na ngayon sa inyo ang point dance ng Alab. Itong ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon, ito yung hook part sa song namin, which is yung now, 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 now. Ngayon, tuturo ko na sa inyo. Sisimulan natin yan sa kamay. Yung lyrics kasi namin is now, now. So, naisip namin na now, now. Parang tinuturo mo kasi now, now. Now na talaga. So, sisimulan natin siya sa taas. Now,
he's
now.
A born teacher.
Taas, baba. Tapos, kasabay nun, meron din galaw yung paa natin. Yung left na paa natin, po-forward siya.
As much as he's been on TVG, I would love for him to be on a dance show.
After nun, pupunta siya sa likod.
He's such a killer dancer.
So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, now.
He's got dancer's legs, isn't he?
Next part po. After po nito, yung paa po natin sa likod, isisipa lang natin. Kick and side. Kasabay po ng side, yung dalawa nating kamay is mag-open lang siya sa magkabilang side. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick and side. So, pag kunigin po natin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, kick and side. So from here po, yung paa po natin sa likod, step lang natin siya papunta sa left. So itong left kong paa, step natin siya sa left.
Now again, this is a real big difference because you could be a great dancer, but you probably can't teach. Okay, just because you can do one doesn't mean you can do the other. And the fact that, I mean, he probably practiced this, but there's no stuttering in the middle. He's really, really clean with his instructions, and I love it.
Yes ba? 1, 2, 3, and step. Kasabay ng pag-step, yung kamay natin, yung right na kamay natin, pupunta siya sa taas. Pupunta siya sa... Hindi, I mean, kasabay ng paggalaw ng paa, gagalaw rin yung kamay. So, it goes something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Yung kamay kasi, parang importante na magawa nyo tong kamay na to. Kasi ito yung symbol ng now. Like now, now. Kaya importante na makita to. So, from here, pag step nyo, aangat din yung kamay nyo. And, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, yung hips, bababa. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, again, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top, dahan-dahanin natin yung step para maalala nyo, para madali nyo ring maaral. From the top, slowly, 1, 2, 3, and up, down, kick and side, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ngayon naman po, after po nito, yung left po natin na paa mapupunta siya sa right.
If you were my dance teacher, though, I didn't be able to focus.
Sa likod. So, sundan nyo lang po yung paa ko. From here, step.
Oh.
Tapos may kasabay po siyang wave.
We're going to intermediate level now.
5, 6, 7, 8, and wave. Tapos po, pag-angat ng kamay nyo, now, 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 now. Dalawang kamay naman po. Same lang po yung symbol ng kamay sa part na to. Paturo lang po siya pababa. And then, yung hips po, pababa lang rin po. Ganun po. Again, 5, 5, 6, 7, wave, down, 6, 7, 8. From the top po, pag-connect-connectin natin yung steps para mabuo po natin yung buong hook part ng alab. Slowly po, sabay-sabay tayo. Sabayan nyo ako, sasabayan ko rin kayo. Kaya 1, 2, 3, and up, down, kick, and side, and step, down, wave, and down, 2, 3, 4.
Whose feet are they in the background?
Again, 5, 6, 7,
I'm just really
8.
hoping that that's Pablo.
Now, kick, and side, now, wave, and now. Yay! Ang galing nyo naman, nasundan nyo kagad ako. Dahil nakuha nyo yung step ng mabilisan, bakit natin hindi subukan sabayan siya with music? Kaya naman, let's go! Music please! Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yun, 18. Alam kong napansin nyo na sa likod ko, merong mahiwagang paa. Nakita nyo ba yon? Alam nyo ba kung sino yon? Siyempre, wala nang iba ang aming main dancer na si Ken. Kaya naman tawagin natin siya. Ken, let's go!
Ken, will you wear pink socks?
So, Ken, okay lang ba na samahan mo kami sayawin yung hook part ng alab?
Of course it is.
Ayaw mo? Wag na. Hindi, sige na. Hook part lang. Now, okay lang? Okay, dahil nandito na si Ken, sasabayan niya tayo gawin yung hook part. Kaya anong pang hinihintay nyo? Sabayan nyo na kami. Let's go! Music, please! Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and...
Adding his own little swag onto it. Is that it? Bye, Ken.
Napakagaling nyo naman. Nasundan nyo kagad yung point dance ng alab. Nako,
I've perfected it now.
Kung natutunan nyo ng mabilisan yung point dance ng alab, sure na sure akong kaya nyo rin yan ituro sa mga kaibigan nyo, sa mama at papa nyo, sa mga kapatid nyo. Kaya huwag nyo nang patagalin pa. Gumawa na kayo ng dance cover ng alab ngayon din. Kaya, turo mo na. Doon na po nagtatapos ang pagtuturo ko ng point dance ng alab. Sana po nagustuhan nyo. And sana po marami po kaming makita dyan na ginagawa yung point dance ng alab. Kaya muli, ako po si Stel ng SB19's Heavenly Voice. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin. Hanggang sa muli po. Paalam! Hi everyone! The Sunshine Boy is back! I'm SB19's Heavenly Voice. My name is Stel. Pero tulad nga po ng sinabi ko kahapon, hindi lang voice ang heavenly, pati ang aking moves ay heavenly. So ayun po, ako ay nagbabalik dahil naging maganda yung feedback ng first tutorial video ko ng
But if you got good feedback, why did you stop doing this after our lab?
Ngayong araw na to, nandito po ulit ako para ituro sa inyo ang isa pang importanteng step sa alab. Siyempre, kung merong now, meron tayong fires. Siyempre, kahapon, alam ko at alam nyo rin na nakasama natin ang main dancer namin na si Ken. Kaya naman ngayon, siyempre, meron din tayong special na makakasama. Pero bago yan, wait, our handy-dandy,
you have to learn the dance first.
Notebook. Yeah, that's right. Yes, dito natin malalaman kung sino ang ating special guest ngayong araw. Nagsisimula siya sa letter J. Clue, siya
Justin.
Pure boy ng SB19. Siya rin ang pinakamatangkad sa amin. Wala nang iba. Please welcome, Justin! Woo! Ay, nandiyan pala si Justin. Yes, kasama natin ngayon si Justin para samahan ako at samahan tayo sa pag-aaral ng isa pang hook part ng alab. Kaya, tanong ko, handa na ba kayo?
Hindi pa!
Wow! Handa na ba kayo?
Hindi pa!
At dahil hindi pa kayo handa, simulan na natin to! Let's go!
Let's go!
Bago
He really turned up the energy for this one.
Anong gagawin natin?
Kailangan mag-warm up muna tayo.
Tama, warm up tayo. So, paano tayo mag-warm up? Sige, lead mo.
Simulan natin sa ulo.
Okay, ulo. Let's go! Turn one. At tapos na tayo mag-warm up, kaya naman simulan na natin ang dance tutorial ng alab. So, papakitaan tayo ni Justin kung paano yun. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fire, di na matatanggi. Yon naman, napakagaling. So, simulan na natin to guys. Huwag natin matagaling pa. First step.
Nailed it.
Pakita mo, Justin. Yung kamay manggagaling sa taas. And then, tuturo ko muna sa inyo yung dadaanan ng kamay. So, galing sa taas, bababa siya sa taas ng ulo, and then sa muka, and then sa baba, and then sa dibdib. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay ba yun? Habang bumababa yung kamay, meron tayong tinatawag na spirit fingers.
Spirit fingers.
Spirit fingers. So, habang bumababa yung kamay natin, gumagalaw ang ating fingers. From taas, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Pakagaling! So, kasabay ng paggalaw ng kamay at ng inyong mga fingers, siyempre, gagalaw rin yung paa natin. Pakita mo sa kanila, Justin, kung paano yung galaw ng paa.
Kailangan mag-step siya pa-side.
Pa-side. Tapos, yung katawan nyo is
Profile.
Profile. So, pakita natin sa kanila yung apak ng paa. 5,
I guess
6,
as time went on, they got really busy, like actually performing their songs and stuff, so they couldn't make content like this. But I actually really like this for Stell. He could have done this on his own channel as well, you know?
Gagawin natin para
But it's time. I know. They're so busy.
Natin. 5, 6, 7, 8, and pump. Pump.
It could have been like Stell dancing
Again,
with, and then every
5,
time he has like a
6,
different
7,
guest.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
They meet so many people all the time.
Yung dalawang importanteng steps
And they'd be up for
sa
it.
fire, pagsamahin natin. So, yung kamay, bababa, 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 bababa. Kasabay noon yung pag-step. Okay? Ready? Ready ka na? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again.
Look, you never said anything about like the slight slanted shoulder and like the...
7, 8, and 1,
Look at this.
2, 3, 4. Tapos,
How
ang
to work the
pinaka-secret
camera.
para magkaroon ng dating ang step na to, kailangan titigan mo yung audience na parang,
Kung gaano ka kahat.
yon, kailangan mo titigan.
Para nagliliyab.
Oo, ganun. Para malaman nila kung gaano ka kahat. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, natapos na tayo dyan. So, next step, papakita ni Justin. So, from fire, di na, tanggi. Okay, so yung 3 next steps, sobrang dali lang yan. So, from here, yung right na kamay natin, pupunta lang sa harap, tapat ng dibdib natin. So, paano yun, Justin?
Lagyan natin sa dibdib.
Sa dibdib. Paglagay sa dibdib ng kamay, si-step din yung paa natin. 1. So, right yung kamay, left yung paa. And then, next, left yung kamay, right yung paa. 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tang! Di ba naka-cross na yung kamay natin tsaka yung paa natin? Itong kamay na to, igaganto lang natin. Parang toot! Tapos kasabay ng pag-toot, magtutut din yung paa. Toot! Sabay-sabay tayo. 6, 7, 8. Toot! Yan. Again, from fire. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Step! Tang! Toot! Yon.
Just like
So,
that.
gawin natin siya from fire hanggang tatang toot.
Until toot.
5, 6, 7. Burning up fire.
He's such a typical dance teacher. Because that's what happens. They forget the counting, and in the middle, they just put on like different words.
Chorus ng lab. So, next naman. Ulitin na natin yung step pero sa kabilang side. 5, 6, 7. Burning up fire. Tak. So, same pa din. Dito sa kabilang side, 3 lang yung magagawa natin. Kasi meron siyang kasunod na 6, 7, 8. Tat, tat. Yan. So, from 1, 2, 3. Tat, tat. Yung kamay mo, yung right mong kamay, magiging ganito siya. Tapos, pag pinagpalit mo sila, yung paa mo na nasa left, mapupunta siya sa likod. Magko-cross. So again, try natin. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tatlo. 2, 3. Tat-tat. Next, ito yung pinakalas na. After na ito, magdadabog ka lang. 1, 2, 3.
As if you're mad.
5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3.
Love the sound effects.
At doon na po natapos yon. So try natin from the top. slowly para masundan nila. 5, 6, 7. Burning on fire, di na matatanggi. Got me like fire, ikaw nang aking hinahanap. Try natin with music po. Music please. Ready, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and
You can teach the steps, you can teach everything, but those extra little oomphs that they put on the steps.
Pinawisan ako. Napakagaling nyo 18 kasi alam ko kahit hindi ko kayo nakikita, alam kong nasabayan nyo kami ni Justin ng maayos at napakahusay. Kaya grabe, wala akong masabi sa inyo. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Ako, nakita ko sila eh.
Nakita mo?
You saw them.
Ay, grabe.
Nagpalit pa sila ng damit pang practice.
Sa bagay,
Para pag pinagpawisan sila. Ayan o, nakikita ko.
Oy, ikaw! Oy, meron no, hindi pa nagpapalit. Magpalit ka na para hindi ka matuyuan ng pawis. Nako, magpalit ka. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorial namin ng Alab. Tulad ng sinabi ko kahapon, kung natutunan nyo ng mabilis yung Alab, syempre, kayang-kaya rin yan matutunan
Your
ng
dog and your cat.
nyo, mama at papa nyo,
Where are my
aso,
cats?
pusa, kahit sino. Sana ituro nyo sa kanila at gumawa po kayo ng Alab cover dance. Dahil aantayin po namin yan. Ikaw, Justin, ano masasabi mo?
At hindi lang yon, syempre, dahil 2020, oras na para mag-move on.
Ay!
Sabi nga ng damit ko.
Get a move on.
Mag-move on pa tayo. Bukas!
Bukas meron pa.
So, i-comment nyo kung sino yung gusto nyong makasama para magturo sa inyo ng
Pablo.
Ayan,
I
18, maraming salamat sa pagsama
really
sa amin
want Pablo
ngayong gabi.
to do the
Muli,
next
ako po si
one.
Stel at
ako naman po si High Five Justin!
High five,
hanggang sa
Justin.
muli nating pagkikita.
Don't leave him hanging.
Paalam!
Oh, he got left hanging.
Very high five.
Hi everyone, I'm SB19's Heavenly Voice. My name is Tel. And nagbabalik na po si Sunshine Boy
So this
for
one
the third time.
isn't
Yes po,
subbed,
dahil yan
but I
sobrang
don't
ganda
care
ng
because
18
I
at sobrang
saw
pogi
that
nyo.
it
Kaya
was
naman,
Pablo.
Sobrang ganda at sobrang pogi rin ang ating feedback. Kaya naman nagbabalik tayo ngayon sa pangatlong pagkakataon. Ayun po, kahapon nakasama po natin si Justin sa Fire na point dance namin. Marami po akong narinig na magandang feedback doon. Sana nasabayan nyo, sana nagustuhan nyo, at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorial namin ni Justin kahapon. Pero, sabi nga ni Justin, dapat everyday natututo tayong mag-move on. Kaya naman ngayong araw, mag-move on na naman tayo sa panibagong point dance ng Alab. At bago tayo dumako sa pagturo sa inyo ng point dance, syempre meron tayong makakasamang sobrang special na tao. Kaya naman yun guys, wag na natin patagalin pa, tawagin na natin ang pinakamamahal nyong hotdog. Please welcome, Sejun! Yay!
Oh my god. The energy literally went through the roof the moment he stepped in.
Parang nanalo lang. So ayun guys, kasama na natin si Sejun ngayong araw. Siya ang makakasama natin sa pagtuturo sa inyo ng point dance ng Alab. So ngayong araw, Sejun, anong point dance yung ituturo natin sa 18?
Itong point dance na to, alam ko, maraming 18 ang nakakaalam nito kasi ito yung karamihan, favorite nila doon sa
Favorite ba nila to? Anong
pero,
part yan?
Pero gusto ko tanongin kung alam mo muna.
Yun nga eh. Tatanungin ko muna.
Stel.
Will you alam me?
Oh,
How dare you? How dare you? How dare
yung
you?
part ni Ken na,
In front of my
love
face.
you, baby, I do, love you. Yun ang ituturo namin sa inyo ngayong
Wipe
araw.
that smile
Kaya
off your
naman,
face, Sejun.
Bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang tanongin.
I'm angry now.
18, handa na ba kayo? Ikaw, Sejun,
Please.
handa ka na ba?
Ready na!
Kaya naman, wag na natin patagalin pa. Simulan na natin ang tutorial ng Alab. Let's go! Woo, 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 woo. So guys, ngayon sisimulan na natin ang first step para sa
I just want Pablo to be really naughty.
Samahan nyo kami ni Sejun at ituturo ko na sa inyo. Sabayan nyo kami para makuha nyo rin. So, unang step. Ito yung part na, I do. Yun yung part na yon. So, unang galaw, kailangan natin parang, alam mo magsiswimming. Parang da-dive, swimming. Ay, magaling. Magaling mag-swimming. So, para lang tayo magda-dive, tapos yung kamay natin, yung open ng kamay natin, parang ganon. Parang ganon. Yan, parang ka talaga magsiswimming. Di ba? Oo, sisid. Kasi di ba sa atin ang sisid ganon? So, ang sisid ng SB19, pag ganon.
Kasi yung water,
Para ma-push. Mapupush. Oo. Pupush yung water para di malunod. Yun. So, ito yung first na galaw. So, from nakatayo, yung kamay natin gaganon. Tapos, bababa lang tayo. So, pakita natin. 5, 6, 7, 8.
So they did these three. I wish they would have done a fourth one with Josh, where they connect all the dots together or something.
After swimming, syempre, para hindi kayo malunod, aahon tayo. Aahon. Tapos, hawakan natin yung damit natin para makaahon
Alright,
tayo.
Sejin.
Tapos pag nakaahon ka
He's
na,
selling us that smoldering face.
Sa pool. At sino ba yung tumulak
Unnecessary.
sa'yo? Siyempre, siya. Ayun, ito yung first part nun. So, ang timing niya is O, I, do. So, yun yun. First step, pakita natin sa kanila na clear. Lumangoy.
I know that even if Estelle's doing a really small body weight, as he does right now in a second, this, you can still see it.
So, ang timing niya is 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I do. Ang pinaka-importante dito, yung kailangan maparamdam niyo yung 1, 2, 3. Tapos yung wave, yung body wave, kailangan swabe and dahan-dahan lang. Again, isa pa, sabayan nyo kami. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I do. So, after nun guys, after nating tumuro sa harap, next naman neto, from here, yung kamay natin nasa harap, angat lang yung left natin na paa. Angat lang yung left na paa.
He's stuck on that bit.
Pababa yung kamay.
Slack him on the head and it'll work again.
Tapos, para mag-meet sila nung paa mo sa baba. And then, aangat yung kamay mo nang nakaganto, tapos bababa yung paa. So, ang timing niya, oh, I do, bay, B. So, kaya ganito yung step neto. Kasi
like a baby.
Yung baby laging tulog. So, yun yung point nun. Again, sa pa. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I do, baby. Ayan. So, ngayon,
I don't usually like choreography that is like really spelling out every single lyric,
ibababa natin yung kamay
but it works in some songs. Don't you think?
Yung right nating paa. Baby, and then, dilipat lang natin siya sa kabila. Timing niya, and then,
that choreography has definitely got really complex over the years. When you look at the choreography that they've got now for anything pagkatag,
pupunta siya sa left.
it's totally different.
Sa kanila. 5,
They're obviously working with a different person, aren't they?
Wait, stop. Ayun, isa pa. From baby, di ba naka-baby? Slowly, 5, 6,
And obviously
7,
their earlier
8,
years has a big stamp of Stella all over it. I do hope in the future he choreographs something.
So, tulad na sabi
No pressure.
ni Sejun, from here,
But we do love it.
tititigan natin si baby pag wave. So, wave,
You're throwing the baby around.
Ayan.
How irresponsible.
Try naman natin pag dugtong-dugtongin yung steps from swimming, umahon, tumuro, si baby, nag-switch, and nag-wave, stop. Try natin yon. Slowly para surely. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I do. And 5 and 6 and sweetat. Sweetat? Isa pa. 5, 6, 7, 8.
He's sweating. He didn't sweat the other 2 days.
And 5 and 6 and wave, stop. Try naman natin ngayon ng medyo mabilis para masundan nyo kami. Try natin. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I do. And baby, I do. Stop. Okay guys, ngayon na natapos na natin yung first set nung step dun sa part na yon. So, ano masasabi mo doon? Mahirap ba yung part na yon? Hindi? Hindi mahirap? Dahil winave natin si baby at napunta na siya sa ibang lugar, kailangan natin siyang ibalik kung saan siya nanggaling. So from here, hihilahin lang natin siya. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hila. And then, babalik sa kabila. 6, 7, 8. Hila.
Outside.
Yun yung part na, I need ya, I need ya. Again, doon tayo sa wave. 5, 6, 7, hila. I need ya, I need ya. So, dito, kailangan may konting giggle lang sa paghila. Paano yung giggle? After naman ito, I need ya, I need. From here, lalagay lang natin yung bigat natin lahat sa right. From here, bigla lang tayong mag-tak. Yung dalawang kamay sa puso.
I always just remember Ken doing this bit. I just for some reason always focus on him in this section.
Tama ba? So, tuloy na natin. From here. Tapos, love. Ito yung lyrics na love. I need you, love. And then, right. Parang open nyo lang siya. Pam. May kasamang konting ulo para
make it dramatic.
Pampa-beauty. Yan. Love, right.
A very good example right there.
Gawin yung I need you, love, right. From here. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. I need you, love, right. And then, ito, actually tapos na yung step. Pero para magkaroon tayo ng closure, kailangan natin tapusin siya ng maayos. So from love, right, kailangan lang natin mag 1, 2, 3. Yan, para masabi natin may closure. I need you.
It's more like a transition step to move on to the next bit. See, they should have just connected all the different parts together with Josh.
Wala na tayong pag-uusapan pa. Tapos na yung lahat, okay? Sana maging masaya na lang tayo. Sana makahanap ka na rin ng...
What is he saying?
Pero kahit makahanap ka ng iba, feeling ko, ako pa rin yung mas better. So, mag-move on na tayo from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. I need you, love right now. Natapos na natin yung itong point dance ng alab na to, itong part ni Ken, yung I need you, love right now. So, pero bago tayo mag-music, try naman natin review from the first part hanggang dun sa closure natin. Okay lang ba yun, Sergio?
Okay lang yun.
Try natin. Half count muna, mabagal lang para masabayan natin. From swimming. Ready? Fast. Dahan-dahan lang ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I do. And baby, I do. And I need you, love right now. Music na? Music.
It's so fun to watch this.
Music, guys.
I feel like a psycho.
Sabayan namin kayo, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, and... 5, 6.
Love his little smile. I love his energy.
At doon na po nagtatapos ang ating dance tutorial ng alab. Ayun, Sejun, anong masasabi mo sa 18?
Sana nag-enjoy kayo at sana hindi kayo nahirapan din sa steps. And sana kung natutunan nyo talaga yung steps, ituro nyo sa kapitbahay nyo, sa kayo.
Does he already have braces at this point? He's literally had braces for forever.
Ayun nga guys, at alam
he does, yeah.
Feeling ko nung nag-video tayo ng itong video natin, nung pinapanood nila, feeling ko tumayo sila para sundan talaga tayo, no? Gusto namin sabihin na kung nabasa nyo at kung nakita nyo yung post namin sa social media about the Alab party, nako, kung ako sa inyo, sasali na ako sa Alab cover contest, di ba, Sergio?
Sigurado ako, matutuwa kayo, masisiyahan kayo dyan kasi limpak-limpak na pa-premyo yung pamimigay namin. Limpak-limpak!
Ayun. Kasi guys, alam nyo, pwede nyo gawin lahat ng kaya nyo gawin. Like, kahit anong talent, ipakita nyo sa amin. Pwede kayong kumanta, sumayaw, kumanta with instruments, a cappella, or everything, sumayaw. Kahit ano, pakita nyo sa amin. Ilabas nyo yung talento nyo at ibahagi nyo sa amin para naman makita rin ng buong mundo kung anong meron kayo. Tsaka, hindi lang yan, di ba, ang mananalo nga. Tulad ng sabi ni Sejun, may premyo. Dito na po nagtatapos ang lahat. Muli, ako po si Stel at...
Ako po si Hotdogman, Sejun!
Maraming salamat po! Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, paalam!
So cute! Why? Where is the next part? And why was Josh not included in this? It would have been so cute to see little bunny Josh doing all of this. But so much fun. I honestly do feel like a psycho sat here watching this. But it's like when Stel moves, I'm always drawn to him anyway, even when they're dancing in a group. But I just love to watch him. Love to hear him talk, even if I can't understand. And this was just so much fun. And that was a great era. They were trying like lots of different sort of content, and I know that some of it is obviously phased out, but I do wish they would bring some of it back. I mean, Stel could definitely do some dance stuff on his own channel. He says he doesn't have time, but even when they're rehearsing for new stuff, he could be filming like very quick things in the background. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. It was fun digging this out, and do talk to me about everything that I included in this, and until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe.